it's Chris. So hope everybody's doing okay with this quarantine and shelter in place that we have going on. I know it can be a little antsy, and especially now that we are not in the salons anymore, trying to figure out not only to do with your hair. Yes, we're at home, but what to do with your children's hair. So this is my youngest, Emrys. Say hi, Emmy.
Hi.
Wave, say hi. So I'll be washing her hair. I'm most likely going to style it in a wash and go. That's what her dad really likes to see her, just having her curls out. So to start off.
Mommy.
Yes.
I just want to watch TV.
Yeah, I know you want to watch TV. So we're just going to section.
I just want to watch TV on the iPad.
Okay, you can get TV on the iPad in a minute.
But I need it.
So go ahead and just section off a smaller section. Should have just clipped that.
I need it.
And then turn your head.
But I need it.
And then water bottle. So just going to spray. You don't want to detangle the hair while it's dry. You want to detangle it while it's wet. And then I also like to use the Mizani 25 Miracle Milk. This is excellent for detangling. I like to use it on the girls, myself, my clients, especially like if I'm going to do their color and they come in their natural state and I need to kind of get through there without, you know, breaking their hair off. So just spray some of this in here. Get your wet brush and then section by section. I like a tip I got from Laza Hair Makeup in one of her classes is if you kind of just tap
Mommy.
the brush in here, turn your head that way. Just kind of tap it in here. That will help break it up some. Tangle like this. I love the wet brush. It goes through seamlessly. If you need to purchase one, just let me know. I can get a hold of some of those for you, but it has to be the brand Wet, not anything else, because I tried that and it is not the same. Wet brush is amazing. And just look at that. Okay, so Emmy is all detangled now.
I'm tangled.
Yes, you're detangled, not tangled. So got all that done. I went ahead and don't listen to her. I went ahead and wet her hair so I can go ahead and shampoo. I'll be using the Mizani Moisture Fusion Moisture Rich Shampoo. I really like. Okay, you'll get down in a minute. I really like this shampoo because it really helps quench the thirsty curls. I like that post-wash, it also helps with detangling. So especially with the little ones where they are fidgety or complaining, well, I'll scrub it good if you're itchy. It really helps with their process. So just get some going. Put about that much in my hand. What'd you say? Okay. And really make sure you emulsify the product. You want to kind of warm it up, break it up. Especially if it's been sitting on the shelf. I know a lot of naturals, unfortunately, will only wash their hair like once a month or whatever. We're not even going to get into that. And then I like to section the hair. That way I can put it on the scalp. That does not hurt. You really want to make sure that your shampoo is getting to the scalp primarily because we want to get any like buildup that's blocking hair follicles, preventing growth. And that's where it's going to be the dirtiest. I mean, you're sweating in there. It's a lot of nasty things going on in there. And then go to the ends. With natural hair, I like to make sure that the shampoo goes all the way down to the ends of the hair because you want to make sure you have a clean slate from root to end. The hair can receive the products and the moisture from the water as we go throughout the shampooing process, okay? Let's get on in here. Alright, so Emmy is nice and detangled, got her all clean and everything, did the Moisture Fusion mask on her hair, put a plastic cap on, let her sit for a little bit. You can follow the instructions on the back of the container. Then I'm going to go in with, again, the Mizani 25 Miracle Milk. It literally has 25 benefits. I am not going to go through them all, but just know you need this stuff. It's going to add shine. It's going to help with detangling. It's safe for color treated hair. It's moisturizing. It helps prevent heat damage. I mean, it's got everything you need right here in this bottle. So, and I do have some available for retail if you need it. Go through here. And this is a leave-in. This is not something you're going to wash out. It's a leave-in. I also like to use it to refresh curls sometimes. Just spray a little water and then spray a little bit of this on. Scrunch in there and go. Next, my girls and I, we have extremely dry scalps. Especially here in Texas, the water is so hard. So what I like to use for us is the Mazzani scalp lotion. This is a calming lotion. I use the scalp care line on a lot of my clients. It has pyrithione zinc, so they have like that little tingling, cooling feeling. That's really getting in there and helping with some dermatitis issues. So I'll just go through and just randomly section her hair. Again, she's a child, so I'm not being perfect on my parting. Just trying to get through it without a whole meltdown. Okay, so just taking it off, starting at a small section in the nape, back here. So these products are going to, because they're water-based, they're going to work best when the hair is soaking wet. They love water. They're going to be pulling water in from the environment. They are humectants, so they're just going to be like, yes, water, any moisture that there is, come in here. When you need to refresh your hair with your spray bottle, going to reactivate the product. This is the Mazzani Twist and Coil Jelly. This is my #1 go-to for wash and goes for most hair types. I love this stuff. It provides a good hold. It's not crunchy. It is very moisturizing. I love this so much. So we'll get started. So I just take about that much on my hands. Again, everything we're doing, we're emulsifying in our hands.
I'm done, Mom. I'm done, Mommy.
You're not done yet. Almost.
But I'm not.
Almost.
Pick me down. Mom, pick me down.
Just kind of shingle it through there, smooth it, so we're laying the cuticle down, and then boom, there you have it.
I want to take it on my neck.
Okay, just a moment. Turn your head,
No, I don't want to.
and then here we go. Just kind of rake it through.
I can't see
If
the
you
TV.
if you need to use a tool, you can. I don't even have one on me. I like to finger detangle and apply the product with my fingers.
No. Okay.
Make sure you're also applying at the base, so I don't have those puffy, thick, unruly roots when it's time to detangle later. And then put your head back in me for a second so everybody can see.
I'm too scared.
All right. Yes, you can. There we go. And I'll do this throughout her entire head. I'll come back when we're done. All right, so Emmy's hair is done. I had her sit under the hooded dryer. And here we go, a perfect little wash and go.
It's still done, yay.
Yeah, see.
I look beautiful.
Yes, you do look beautiful. All right, tell everybody bye-bye.
Bye.